Respected teachers and my dear friends, first of all, I wish everybody a happy Independence Day. Today, I wish to speak some words about my dream India. In the India of my dreams, there will be peace and harmony. Every citizen will be literate. India will reach great heights. It will be free of violence, terrorism, hunger, and sufferings. It will be filled with compassion, peace, and happiness. Every Indian will be happy. Every type of job will be respected. Higher standards of cleaning and cleanliness and hygiene will be maintained in my dreams of India. This is my country, India, a great country, a land of peace, prosperity, and truthfulness, where no one is afraid of speaking the truth, where there is no corruptions. It will be a country where women are respected and where people from all religions coexist and where every citizen is proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Dear friends, I am Devika, studying in 10th standard. Today, as a part of Independence Day celebration, I got a golden opportunity to speak about my dream India. I would like to share some thoughts, views, and visions regarding India. I am so proud to be an Indian, mainly because of our rich and diverse culture and traditions. But I am so sad to say that even after 75 years of independence, we had not been able to achieve developments in every field. We must try our maximum to become a developed country. India of my dreams is a place where peace, harmony, and happiness spread. And my dream India should enhance the basic values such as socialism, equality, freedom, democracy, etc. We must achieve progress in every field, including arts, sports, literature, technology, science, etc. But even when we are progressing, we must consider and take care our mother nature also. We must conserve our nature and its living being.
Teachers and my dear friends, today I am standing before you to express my views about my dream India. The India of my dream would be a country where women are safe and walk freely on road. Also, it will be a place where there is freedom of equality to all and everyone can enjoy it in their true sense. Furthermore, it would be a place where there is areas that need to be worked upon, whether it is female feticide or restricting them to the household task. However, we have to work hard to change the mindset of society. I dream India as a country that sees women as the essence, not as a liability. Also, I want to place women on an equal level as men. Next point is education. Though there are many initiatives by the government to promote education, the India of my dream will be a place where education will be mandatory for all. Next point is employment opportunities. There are many educated people in India, but due to corruption and many other reasons, they are unable to get a decent job. One of the reasons for this is weak.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, it's a great privilege to be here. Today I am here to speak about my dream of a beautiful India. India of my dreams is a country full of peace, harmony, compassion and happiness. It will be a country where all the countrymen are educated and responsible enough for the country's development. In the India of my dreams, I shall see many traditional artists of classical dancing, singing and many other ancient art forms being appreciated everywhere. I want people of my country to appreciate.
Good morning, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today is the most important day for all the citizens of India. India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day today. Every year, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. In this day, we should remember the great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and others. The Prime Minister of India hoisted the Indian national flag at Red Fort and addressed the nation. The Indian Armed Forces conducting parades on this day. Schools and colleges also conduct flag hoisting ceremonies and cultural programs. We salute the Indian national flag and national anthem is sung as a part of it. As a citizen of India, we should respect our nation and sincerely perform our duties to make our country beautiful. I love my country and I am proud of to be an Indian. I wish happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Now I stand before you to speak a few words on the topic My Dreams India today. Dreams are quite natural. One always dreams about his future. Yes, I too dream of my future. But I have some wonderful dreams about my country. India, I am proud to be an Indian as you. All know the richness and greatness of India. India has a long varieties of its traditions and culture. Unity in diversity, the beautiful are very rich. This difference will be recommended. I dream India all are equal. I want to say an Indian performance games in Olympics too. I want to say India winning some medals. As all know, today is children's and tomorrow is citizens. We decided we can make some good changes. Let us try our best. And corruptions, I am Indian. I am proud of India. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It's great privilege to be here in this morning. Today is here to be speak about dreams of beautiful India. India of my dreams, it is a country full of peace, harmony, and compassion. All the citizens will not suffer from bad health, hunger, and unemployment. In short, India of my dreams, all citizens feel very happy and safe. All citizens will be able to enjoy and live a good quality of life. Thank you.